Servicing my Duramax. View from the underneath. Oil change after 700 miles, and I did replace my injectors. In this video, I'm going to get into that. So right now, changing oil. But I will, in this video, stress to you, when your injectors start to smoke and haze, it's time to replace them. They're just plainly telling you, hey, I'm old, I'm worn out, it's time to replace them. Alright, basically in this video here, just doing a real short tutorial here. You can see me greasing the truck, servicing it, changing filters, and I'm going to be good with this thing for a long while. But bottom line, beginning of the video, I was talking about where with injectors. This thing, it smoked at idle. It really wasn't a performance issue. I did run about 1.5 tanks of fuel through this thing, give or take. And my mileage might have come up a mile to the gallon, but I actually was working the truck. I was hauling things, pulling a trailer, stuff like that, which I do quite a bit. And but I can't stress it enough. And I should have took pictures and showed what it looked like with the injectors, but I will tell you this: there was a lot of carbon buildup on them, and it was definitely an issue with with carbon buildup. Did figure out the date on the injectors was from 2008, so this would be the third set at 255,000. So I think that's pretty good. So let's we're gonna need just change the fuel filter on this as well, which everything will be in good shape. Might give a little bit of a fit here. We got oil pressure. Sounds like we're gonna be good with fuel too. So, but let that run for a few seconds. Now we'll check the levels. I gotta add some yet. Yep, gonna need a quart yet. Alright, final check here, and I think we're good. Had to add a little to it. I don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera or not. There we are, full. Took 10 quarts right on the money. Alright, the service is pretty well done. I'm kind of old-fashioned. I put dates on my filters. I also use sticker up top here so you never forget. The other cool thing is on my edge gauge pack here, whatever this thing is called, you can actually go in, if I can do it here all at one time. I'm still learning how to use this thing. Go in here, enter. Let's see. Air filter is good. We just change the oil. So we just put that in there. So you don't go interval, and we can now put I'm going to service this thing every 5,000. I also did the fuel filter. That's gonna be every 10,000. I wish they had a way that you could just hit the back button or something on this. But it is what it is. And let's see if we can do transmission filter. And I guess it doesn't have the transmission filter, but anyway, pretty cool tool. You can go in there and mess with that, so I do advise this. I don't know if I'm gonna get the EFI Live for this. Didn't really price that, didn't really look at that. I like the gauges. I'm really not interested in tuning this truck. It works good enough the way it is. There you can see the odometer at 255/600. Said this with that brown Chevy 6.5 I have, which basically I overworked it, and probably what led it to where it ended up being. It ended up needing an engine. I did sell the truck, and I do talk to the guy that bought it, and it did finally die, and they are, I guess, in the process of replacing the engine. So anyway, but here I am with this LB7 Duramax. I'm liking it, even though I had to do injectors on it, some other minor maintenance issues in my eyes. I have like $13,000 in this truck at this point, making it the way I want and everything like that, so I have no complaints. So I think in this video it's a little long, but we'll add doing some work with it. I have some hauling to do with it, so I think we'll add that to it. So stay tuned.